Getting the error message Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet, it can be really annoying. This usually means there is an issue with your internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or cellular data. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top of the screen. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to see if your internet connection is working. If you can't load websites, the issue might be with your internet connection. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and tap Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History again. Cached website data can sometimes prevent pages from loading correctly. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down to Safari. Tap Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions may interfere with website loading if they block certain scripts or content. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings and tap General. Scroll down. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. This will clear your Wi-Fi networks and settings but may resolve any underlying connection issues. Now that you've tried these steps, you should be able to fix the Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is connected to the internet error. If the issue persists, reach out to your internet service provider or Apple support for more help.